You've probably heard the saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder. And while there's truth to it, this isn't about playing mind games or being manipulative. In today's video, we'll dive into 15 psychological tips on how to make a woman miss you, not by being distant or cold, but by understanding the art of stepping back in the right way. It's a delicate balance that many misunderstand. Some think ignoring someone means shutting them out, but that's not the approach here. My goal is to help you master this with sincerity, so she naturally longs for your presence. Ready to uncover these insights? Let's get started. 1. Don't always be on her radar. Constantly texting or calling sends the message that you lack personal goals or direction. When you're always available, you take away the chance for her to miss you. Think of it this way, even your favorite meal becomes tiresome if eaten daily. The same applies to relationships. What's too accessible often loses its charm. By stepping back, you spark her curiosity and make her wonder about you. Being overly attentive can come across as desperate, which isn't attractive. Remember, people are drawn to what feels just out of reach. Give her space to reminisce about your shared moments, your laughter, conversations, and connection. This isn't about playing games or ignoring her, it's about showing that you have a fulfilling life beyond her. You're not making her the center of your universe, and that's okay. When you create that space, she'll naturally start to think about you. Let her take the lead sometimes. It's not about being hard to get, but about being worth the effort. 2. Cultivate a balanced life. Women are naturally drawn to men who are genuinely happy and fulfilled. Focus on your own growth, pursue your passions, and savor life's experiences. While you're giving her space, let it be clear that you're thriving. This not only boosts your confidence but also makes you more attractive. 3. Respect your own time. Your time is valuable, so don't drop everything the moment she reaches out. It's okay to let a message sit for a while before replying. This doesn't make you rude, it shows that you're busy and have priorities. It's about balancing your responsiveness with your own life, reinforcing your independence and self-worth. 4. Use jealousy as a subtle motivator. Jealousy can be powerful when used delicately, not to manipulate but to remind her of your value. Show her you're living an exciting and dynamic life. Share genuine moments from social outings or hobbies. When she sees you engaging with others and enjoying yourself, it can spark a sense of longing. This isn't about making her feel insecure, it's about highlighting what she could miss out on. However, always approach this with respect and empathy. Your goal is to deepen the connection, not harm it. 5. Don't fall for casual attention traps. When she sends a quick hi or an emoji, resist the urge to respond instantly. Constantly jumping at her messages makes you seem too available. By waiting to reply, you subtly encourage her to put in more effort, showing her that your attention isn't something to take for granted. This doesn't mean playing hard to get, it's about valuing your time and showing that you're focused on your own goals. When she realizes your attention is earned, not given freely, she'll cherish it more. 6. Showcase your high value. Being a high-value man isn't about flaunting wealth or status. It's about embodying self-respect, purpose, and kindness. When you step back, it's not to diminish her worth but to subtly emphasize your own. High value comes from your principles, ambitions, and character. It's about living with integrity and making meaningful choices. By showing that you're selective and have standards, you naturally draw her in. This makes her curious about your world and eager to be a part of it. 7. Present your complete self. A fulfilling relationship starts with two whole individuals. To make her miss you, show that your life is vibrant and fulfilling even without her. Pursue your passions, nurture your hobbies, and set meaningful goals. When she sees that you're thriving, fully content and engaged in your own world, it makes you more intriguing. This isn't about ignoring her, it's about striking a healthy balance between your personal growth and your connection. Show her you're not dependent on her for happiness, and she'll naturally crave being part of your life. 8. Keep a touch of mystery. Mystery is magnetic. If you share everything too quickly, the intrigue fades. Let her wonder about you. Share your life in layers, just enough to spark her curiosity but not so much that there's nothing left to discover. For example, instead of detailing every part of your day, you could say, "I had such an unexpected adventure today," and leave it at that. This invites questions and keeps her engaged. The allure of mystery keeps you on her mind, making every interaction more exciting and rewarding. 9. Leave her wanting more. Every interaction should end on a high note. Whether it's a conversation, a date, or a simple text exchange, wrap things up while the energy is still high. This builds anticipation for the next time. Think of it like a favorite TV show. When it ends with a cliffhanger, you can't wait for the next episode. Ending your time together before it becomes mundane keeps her thinking about you and eagerly awaiting your next interaction. 10. Embrace spontaneity. Predictability can dampen excitement. Inject a sense of surprise into your interactions. Plan spontaneous adventures, try something new together, or add unexpected twists to your routine. Spontaneity keeps her guessing and makes your time together exhilarating. When you mix excitement with moments of stepping back, you create an irresistible dynamic that keeps her intrigued. 11. Be charismatic and confident. Charisma and confidence are incredibly attractive. These traits aren't about being loud or dominating a room, but about being comfortable in your own skin and engaging authentically with others. Confidence is about valuing yourself and pursuing life with purpose, while charisma stems from making others feel valued and uplifted. When people leave an interaction with you feeling positive, they'll associate you with those feelings, even when you're not around. This leaves a lasting impression and makes your presence something they'll miss. 12. Showcase your ambition. An ambitious man with a mission is hard to ignore. Whether it's your career, a creative pursuit, or a personal goal, let your drive and determination shine. Ambition signals that you have a vision for your life, and it's captivating. When you focus on your goals instead of giving her all your attention, she'll see you as someone with purpose and direction. This not only earns her respect but also makes her want to be part of your journey. These strategies aren't about manipulation, they're about building a fulfilling life and meaningful connections. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into human psychology and relationships. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, remember, a Stoic approach to life often creates the strongest bonds.